5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, whenever I am doing a basic or related to anything flick, I am going to keep my top fingers up and palm facing the ground and flicking towards downwards.
For the lady, whatever comes down must come up.
If I am placing my hand, her hand automatically comes towards to my side. If I am not placing, she have a freedom, she can do lady styling. Now from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do L move. 1, 2, on count third, she's going to feel the tension. 3, 4. We are switching place. 5, 6, 7. Don't move your hand. From here, prepare on your right leg and spin. 8.
For the lady, she just stands here for the moment and waits for the
Now
head
from
roll.
here, when I am doing my head spin, she is doing a hip roll at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare for the turn and 5, 6. Going for the close and hold. 7, 8. Again the same flick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second combo. 5, 6, 7. Go in and out. 1, 2, 3. I bring her towards to my right side and I'm switching to my left side. 3. Now I'm changing. Now at the same time, I have an inner connection with this, which is very important. So I'm giving her, she's giving me. Connected, connected. 3, 4. Now from here, I'm using my both hands and pushing towards to the right side. 5, 6. From here, I bring her 7. When she's finishing her on 8 count here, she'll be switching her body weight on count 1. 8, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7, 8.